Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Squarespace domain with Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the Add Website section. Input your existing Squarespace domain name into the provided field. Hostinger will then present you with specific name server details. Make sure to carefully copy these two unique name servers, as you will need them for the next step in your Squarespace settings. This initial setup is crucial for establishing the connection. Now, let's move to your Squarespace account. Log in and find the domain settings for the specific domain you wish to connect. Look for a section related to custom DNS records or name server management. Here, you will replace the current Squarespace name servers with the two Hostinger name servers you copied earlier. It's vital to save these changes to initiate the update process. This step redirects your domain's traffic to Hostinger. After updating your name servers, return to your Hostinger control panel. You can often check the domain status there, which might initially show as pending. DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, typically up to 24 hours, though sometimes it's quicker. To confirm the update, you can use an online DNS checker tool by entering your domain name. This will show if the new Hostinger name servers are active. Once propagation is complete, clear your browser's cache to ensure you are viewing the most current version of your website. If after 24 hours, your domain still isn't connecting, don't hesitate to contact Hostinger's customer support team. They can provide specific assistance and troubleshoot any issues. Also, double-check that your Squarespace domain is unlocked for transfer if you ever plan to move it fully, though for this connection, only name server changes are needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.